Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. #12. Culture and Heritage. The famous Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which district of Telangana? A. Warangal. The Kakatiya Kala Thoranam is a historical archway located in which city of Telangana? A. Warangal. The Sadar festival, celebrated by the Gonds in Telangana, is associated with A. Harvest season. The Tirumathy Baradari in Hyderabad was built during the reign of which dynasty? A. Qutbi Shahi dynasty. The famous Bhadrakali temple in Telangana is located in which city? A. Warangal. The traditional art of sculpting and carving intricate designs on metal, known as Bidrai art, originated in which region of Telangana? A. Hyderabad. The Vemulawada Rajana temple in Telangana is dedicated to A. Lord Shiva. The Bonalu festival in Telangana is celebrated primarily in honor of which goddess? A. Mahankali. The Kolanupaka Jain temple in Telangana is famous for its A. Jain architecture. The Kakatiya Musical Garden in Telangana is located in which city? A. Warangal. The traditional art form of Telangana, charial scroll painting, is made using A. Cotton cloth. The Chaya Somaswara temple in Telangana is known for its unique feature of sunlight falling directly on the deity's idol on A. Makar Sankranti. The Bingir Fort in Telangana was built during the reign of the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is renowned for its A. Acoustic architecture. The Samaka Saralama Jatara festival is celebrated once every A. 2 years. The Dakkani cuisine of Telangana is known for its flavorful dishes such as A. Hyderabadi biryani. The Pachampally saris of Telangana are known for their intricate designs and use of A. Ikat weaving technique. The traditional dance form of Telangana, Bathakama, is performed during which season? A. Spring. The Nirmal toys and craft of Telangana are made using which material? A. Wood. The Warangal Fort in Telangana is known for its A. Stone carvings. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.